Alright, thanks for tuning in to Leading Forecast, and have to bear with me here. I have a little bit of a sinus problems going on. Springtime, of course, don't we all? Let's go on over current situation here. A lot of rain still overspreading those flooded areas. Just what we all needed here. Here we go. There's the rain out there across the Midwest. Of course, your flood-prone areas or your flood problem areas are kind of down through here. And, that's exactly where the heaviest rain's falling. We can take this off and there we go. And you can see the heaviest rain falling actually out across western Kentucky, western Tennessee, southern Indiana. They're going to have plenty of rain down there. Don't have to worry about the crops going dry anytime soon. Let's go on over. Oh no. Let's go on over. This is the current satellite. You can see here's all those cloud cover from the rain. Trough digging in down back of this thing, and you can see all these clouds out here that have developed all these little puffy cumulus. That's pretty cold air aloft here. We have a lot colder air aloft than we do at the surface, even though the surface temperatures are a lot colder than they should be. It's causing those cumulus clouds to kind of pop up. And so let's go on over current watches and warnings. Of course, we do have the flood warnings in effect all the way from basically I-70 all the way down through Oklahoma, back up through Arkansas, western Tennessee, western Kentucky, southern Indiana. And then we have the flash flood watch warnings in effect. I keep saying watches. All these are warnings. And then flash flood warnings down here across northeastern Arkansas, western Tennessee, and then down here across eastern Oklahoma are some more flash flood warnings. Let's go on over current temperatures. Look at this. This is amazing temperature difference. You get out here towards central Alabama, you're talking all the way into the lower 80s, but then you go all the way back into central Arkansas, 51. You're talking, it's a 30-degree temperature difference. We're talking about 49 degrees in Dallas. It should be 49 degrees in Dallas this time of year. It shouldn't be 55 in Indianapolis this time of year. So, should be a little bit warmer. In fact, temperature departures here, you can see we are 29. And my mouse just keeps not working on me here. Now I can't even find it. There we go. 29 degrees departure below what we should normally be in Dallas today. Very, very cold temperatures down there. They're not liking it, I'm sure. And then up here towards Cincinnati, 17. We get up towards St. Louis, we're 10 below what we should normally be at this time of year. Getting on over severe risk today, we do have a slight risk out here across central Tennessee and then the Mississippi-Alabama line. Nothing major. May have some damaging winds and some hail. And then tomorrow, severe risk goes off to more of the East Coast. And this mouse is giving me fits here today, guys. I tell you what. Off to the East Coast here, you can see the slight risk. Damaging winds, large hail. Might see a couple of isolated tornadoes. We'll have to wait and see. Here we go. This is a good tomorrow. Trough digging in here, as you can see, and then here comes the next clipper out to the west of it. As we get into Wednesday, here's your trough now off to the East Coast. Zoom in a little bit here so we can see this clipper. And then here's your next clipper system coming across the nation here. That's going to be our next chance after this one for some rain, maybe even some thunderstorms. And then as we get into Thursday, here's your upper level or your mid-level low at 500 millibars. Your trough dug in like that. And then here comes the clipper system down through the Great Lakes. And we have a secondary one to the west of that. Here we go. This is the tomorrow morning kind of a low pressure wave sitting up here. We have rain breaking out. Still a lot of rain out across these flood-prone areas tomorrow. Until we get into tomorrow afternoon. So what flooding we have and the rain we're getting is going to stay. It's going to stick around and it's going to help exacerbate that flooding. And just not a good situation. We've had, we're seeing major flooding across those areas, and we're hitting over record flood stage right now across a lot of areas along the Ohio and the Mississippi River. So definitely a very dangerous situation down there. This is as we get into Wednesday. Here's your low now coming up here. We got a high pressure center trying to build in here, and then here comes your clipper system behind it. This is, whoops, oh wow, what happened there? Me and me and this computer not having a good day today. Going on over this is as we get into Thursday. Here's your low up here. Here comes your clipper system coming in, and your high pressure system kind of trying to become that Bermuda high, and the showers and whatnot breaking out up here with the clipper system. And this week's going to be a lot quieter of a week, which is good because of the simple fact that we have a lot of cleanup to do down across the south where they were just absolutely ravaged by tornadoes. And I mean, obviously all of us know that by now, but a quiet weather pattern is definitely going to be welcomed, I think, because we need to get things cleaned up down there and try to get people's lives back in order as much as we can, because very, very serious situation down there is still happening. So anyways, that's all we have for now. Stay safe out there. You can view this on swiftchaseteam.com or thedailyforecast.net. I also want to mention a couple other quick announcements here. We are doing, still in the planning works of Indiana Chaser Convention for this fall, looking like November 5th. We have some speakers already. We are in the process of booking a place to have this. And so you can go onto my website, swiftchaseteam.com. We're going to have more information posted on there. We also have a lot of stuff posted on Facebook. Also, the other thing, I'm going to be starting a new blog. This is going to have a little bit of everything on it. Whether it's new viral videos, or it's going to be even some of the leading forecasts I'll put on there. A little bit of everything, something fun to do. So anyways, that's all I have for now. Just wanted to mention those couple of things. Stay safe. Thanks for tuning into Leading Forecast.